When pasta started, there's quite a few prevailing theories about how it came to be in the first place. Some say it came from the Chinese when Marco Polo visited them, but some say it came actually a lot earlier when the Arabs took over Sicily island and had a short occupation. But that being said, my belief is that there's many examples in history where people invented the same thing throughout the world at the same time, even without communicating with each other. The telephone is a very good example, actually. Everybody thinks that Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone, which he did, but at the very same time, the same guy, a different guy in Britain invented the telephone at the same time, and they didn't even know about each other. And we're doing the egg pasta, which is the northern version. Double zero flour. It's also a wheat flour from Italy. For the egg pasta, the reason we're using that one more, it's more suitable to be used together with the eggs as opposed to water.